Howdy folks, and welcome to the Hillbilly Kitchen. Today we are at Biltmore Estates in Ashville, and we are riding our electric e-bikes around the Deer Park Trail. And the Deer Park Trail goes from where the hotels and the winery are at. Also, there's Antler Hill, which has a petting zoo, the original dairy barn. And if you have been here but you have never been to the barn, you have missed at least half of the experience. So you definitely need to go to Antler Hill and visit the barn if you haven't before. If you're planning a visit to Biltmore Estates, or maybe you've even been here a few times, some things worth noting are that it is privately owned. Construction of the house began in 1889, and it took about 6 years. And as impressive as the house is, the grounds are equally impressive. When George Vanderbilt originally started construction on the house, he purchased 125,000 acres. The property in the Blue Ridge Mountains had been logged and mostly clear-cutted to harvest the timber, which was the most valuable resource in the area at the time. Gen X, this is our time. The kids are grown, everything is calmed down, and I gotta tell y'all, these are our toys. And these e-bikes are my absolute favorite toy. We're able to do things that we could not have even dreamed of without it. And no matter where you take it, there's no gas station and there's no parking fees. Our bikes are Letric's long-range off-road XP2s. These bikes have a range of up to 80 miles and a speed of up to 28 miles an hour. They have 26-inch, 4-inch wide knobby tires, which are very maneuverable on paved paths and city streets, but they can handle some pretty tough trails. And what all this means is that we can see far more than we could before without ever worrying about power. And it doesn't matter if we're exploring a historic town, a national park, or we're just out for a long leisurely drive. Here's the link to check out my electric e-bike. With the help of Frederick Olmsted, who designed New York Central Park, George Vanderbilt was able to reclaim the clear-cutted land and establish the study of forestry in the United States. Olmsted also designed the 75-acre garden that surrounds the house. After George unexpectedly passed away in his early 50s, his widow Edith sold 87,000 acres to the U.S. Forest Service for only $5 an acre, and this started the Pisgah National Forest, which was the first national forest east of the Mississippi River. George's home, the Biltmore House, is America's largest home. It was designed by Richard Morris Hunt. It spans 175,000 square feet, which is more than 4 acres of floor space. It has 250 rooms, and it is a museum that was actually lived in. The house contains over 92,000 items, including paintings by artists like Moret and Renoir. It has been exquisitely preserved by the descendants of George and Edith Vanderbilt. One of the things I always wonder about as I walk through the house is what it must have been like for the staff who came to live at Biltmore. They were local residents who lived in cabins, and in many cases, one-room cabins that they shared with siblings and extended family. To go from a cabin to the magnificent Biltmore estate what that must have been like, how they must have felt. While the grounds are primarily native plants, the 75-acre garden and the greenhouse are filled with plants and trees from all around the world, stuff that you really can't see anywhere else. And they are exquisite all year long. The estate grounds still include 8,000 acres, which have 22 miles of trails for you to explore and enjoy nature. A visit to Biltmore Estates truly takes you back to another time, to another place, when life was less complicated and people were more connected. It is worth taking time to stop, look around the grounds, explore the house, take in the scenery and the smells, and you will know why so much effort was put in to the construction of the house and the grounds, and so much effort has been put in to preserving it for everyone to enjoy. There's far more to do at Biltmore Estates than you can possibly do in a day. So no matter what you enjoy, you're sure to find some way to spend a very pleasant day. Ecclesiastes 3:13 says, "Every man should eat and drink and enjoy the good of all of his labor. It is the gift of God." I truly hope that you can take some time to enjoy the good of your labor. And when you have those times, remember that they are a gift from God. Thank you so very much for spending the day with us and for being a part of the Hillbilly Kitchen family. Until next time, remember to put God first.